Hey guys, are you facing the iOS 26 update request error on your iPhone? Here's how you can fix it. First, open the Control Center, turn on Airplane Mode, then turn it off again. If that doesn't help, try the second method. Go to Settings, tap on General, then iPhone Storage, and make sure you have at least 20 gigabytes of free space. More is even better. If you don't, try deleting unnecessary files and apps. For the third method, ensure your battery is sufficiently charged before starting the update. Lastly, restart your phone by pressing the volume up and power button until you see the Apple logo. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.